Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we are in Hector's house. We're gonna do some barbecue, some salads, and some guacamole. We Today we have some special guests as Mauricio, Rodrigo, Patricio, and Raúl, and of course my partner Hector. Hope you like this video.
The ingredients that we are going to use for this project are serrano pepper, onion, carrots, tomatoes, lemons, avocados, salt, garlic powder, pepper, coriander, spinach, lettuce, and of course the meat.
First of all, we are going to cut all the lettuce and put it into a bowl. Start with a base of greens. Mix it with greens, spinach, arugula, baby kale, or whatever you have in the moment. Here right now we're going to cut all the spinach. Add something else for texture like almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, cashews, hemp seeds, sunsprouts, apples, jicama, or whatever you have. In this case, we are having Spanish. Right now, we're going to cut the onion. Also, you can do to add color. You can put carrots, cucumber, beets, mango, spinach, could be berries, sea vegetables, or fresh herbs. In this case, we are going to use onion. Right now we're going to cut the carrots. The carrots we are going to put it to get more color in our salad. There we put the carrots into the salad, and with that you finish your salad.
The first step will be cutting the avocado so we can make a perfect guacamole. The first step will be getting us a plate to put the avocado and its ingredients. The second step will be mashing the avocado in a molcajete. The second step will be cutting the onion so we can combine it with the avocado. The third step will be putting some avocado in a plate. The third step will be putting the avocado in a bowl and then putting all the ingredients in top of it, and then we can mix it.
Here we see how we put the serrano pepper, the tomato and the onion on the grill so that they can be roasted to start the sauce. Here we can see how I'm grinding the previously roasted tomatoes to start the sauce. Do not forget to add salt to your sauce. After the tomatoes are well ground, I will add the peppers to give that spicy flavor to the sauce. Once everything is well ground, the sauce will be finished.
Well, first of all, we have the meat. It's called asado de tira. You can find it in any store. This steak is approximately about 250 pesos each piece. It's a very delicious steak. I recommend it 100%. Here I'm showing a little trick. Well, how you can see in this picture, both of the steaks have a perfect and very beautiful intramuscular fat. This is actually very important since the intramuscular fat gives like the 70% of the flavor in the steak. Well, as you can see, I already got the steaks out of the bag. I put them in a table. So in this video you can see that I'm actually adding fresh black pepper to the steak. I recommend it to be fresh since it's a more like best flavor. As you can see, you have to add a big amount since it's a big piece of steak, so it can have a very good flavor. As you can see, I'm adding salt to the steak. It has to be in a big quantity since the steak is very large. The next thing I did, I seasoned it with garlic powder. I seasoned it by the both sides, so it has a very powerful and delicious flavor. As you can see here, after 5 minutes, you're going to flip it since we want a very flavorful and rough skin, since we want the meat to be very tender inside. After you have the steaks in all its 4 sides, you're going to put it in aluminum paper. This will help you to the steak to be very juicy since it's not going to get the direct flame. So this will lead to a very juicy steak. You will check with your thermometer if it's rare, medium, or well done. As you can see, the meat is very juicy and it's very tender. So if you want to get this type of steak, this type of results, you have to follow my steps.
Okay, this would be our final result for this exquisite lunch or dinner. We can see that we have a very good sauce, a fresh salad, a very tasty guacamole, and of course this delicious and juicy meat. These recipes can be used for any occasion, with friends, with family, etc. The ingredients for these recipes are cheap, and these recipes have a very easy degree of difficulty. Anyone can cook it. If you are less than 14 years old, we recommend you to do it under the supervision of an adult. There is nothing like a good barbecue with its respective sauce and a salad and guacamole to accompany.
Okay guys, so this was the video. We show you some steps to do the perfect barbecue. Hope you like it, and of course subscribe to our channels. My partners have something to say to you.
I want to say that it was a very good video to film, because it was a very good experience to make a barbecue with my friends.
Did you all like the invitation to this
Yes, I
channel?
like it.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting us. I like a lot to film this video because I know the proper way to make a barbecue, and well, I like to do the salsa, and hope maybe next time we can do another video.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, well, first of all, thank you for your attention. It was a very fun activity for me. I'm very grateful with Hera for inviting me and for giving me this opportunity. And yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.